Oh man. Let's make it to concrete over here.
Oh, damn, man.
Stay low. Watch that tank. Hey kid, come on, let's go. Ooh. That was just from the kid falling. He like sprayed us. Oh, right, you're on my fire.
Don't get in my way, thank you.
Alright, let's go, tank, come on. Cover. On your mark. Alright, let's go. Hey, you can't shoot through the hole! Alright, let's go. Cover me. Okay. Got beaver down. Ethan, if you can, make it down the berm and go up to Beaver Dam. Is he out? Hey, Beaver Dam, Beaver Dam! Come on. Watch Beaver Dam. Yeah. Down Beaver Dam, down the berm. Try and run down the berm and get to that bunker and kill someone inside. Sneak. What? Yes.
Hey guys, cover me! You got it.
Alright. Fuck Beaver Dam, let's go.
Alrighty.
3, 2, 1, go, 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 go! Beard, go on. You're good, you're good, you're good.
Go to the door. Have somebody by the door.
Come on, we gotta move up.
Where's he at?
No, no. My bad.
At least don't knock down the building. We still do need it.
Hold up. There's a guy in there. You good?
Want to break the beaver there?
I can do it.
Grenade in there?
Actually, I would
I kind of want to save it.
I would throw it wide and go into the other building.
You see someone? Oh yeah, take care of Beaver Dam. Oh shit.
Nice shot, Jordan.
Can't get him. Oh, sweet. It's open. Stay low. Stay low.
Around the corner on the pool on the ground. I don't know if you can get it. Hey, I need your.
Is he right there?
Yeah. Okay, so if you look down, there's a spool and he's on the ground. He has a green string sticking out.
Screw it. I'm just gonna try and get him.
Hey.
Watch out. Step in. Step in. Step in.
Okay, if you look over here, there's a spool.
Oh, right.
Right there. You see him?
Hey, if I go all the way across, will I be covered?
No.
Okay. Stay low. Hey, high low. You got high.
Okay.
Come in here. 3, 2,
Go. And then I'll run it.
3, 2, 1. Go.
There
Got
we
him.
go. Good
Got
job,
him.
man.
Good job.
Good shit. Good work. Watch it. There's someone in the window. Yeah.
Making it across. Watch out.
Wait.
Alright, I'm gonna nade it.
Oh, there's another one over there.
Is he out?
Yeah, he's out.
Okay, friendly's in the building. Friendly's in the building.
Friendly's in the building? Alright. No. He's waiting for Matty.
Okay.
Watch fire. Wait.
Alright, I'm coming in front. Watch out. Get in the building. Let's go. Clear. Oh. Friendlies.
I'm dead. You're good.
Shit.
Ow. Fuck. Shot right in the back.
That sucks.
Damn it.
That's a good position though, honestly.
I know, but this fucking guy failed, and it's one job! You had one job, you fucking asshole!
Not up on me.
Dude, I love this position. You got him so good.
Put me out of my lizard! Hey, I know you're on film and shit, but can I just shoot you just like that? I got a fucking film. You don't have to.
In the bag, right here.
Okay,
Alright.
go ahead. I just wanted to say I got one shot.
Oh shit.
Watch the window right there. Watch the left side by the main spot.
Watch out, this guy straight ahead this way. Hey, semi. Okay. Where are we taking fire?
Left side and right side building.
I think we got the guy in the right side building.
Alright, so take left side.
Okay. Oh shit.
Where's the bucket?
Okay. Oh, ouch.
Watch the window. Well, stop walking around. Okay, you're right.
Hey, sit down if you're out. Sit down if you're out.
Sit down.
Sit down. Ooh.
What's going on out there?
We got a guy straight 12 o'clock from this doorway.
Okay, so since you guys pretty much took over this place, I'm gonna walk out.
Oh, what the fuck?
Coming out!
Oh, we got him. I'm gonna come out. Right there in prison, okay? You know, I'm gonna get out of there.
Hey, can you double check my tank is plugged in?
Oh, it's not.
Alright.